Good morning, it's Janet McHugh. Are you having problems keeping your refrigerator clean and organized? Or maybe, as we discussed before, you're hoping to get your rental deposit back without having to pay extra cleaning fees? Let me show you a couple tips. My refrigerator. And I'll show you a couple things I do. So, let's see if I can tilt you in here before it goes off. First of all, anything that I keep that I think might be messy, like creamers, I put a napkin underneath. So let me pick up and tilt down, and maybe you can see the napkin in here. I can help. And there we go, it's right there. See? That way when it spills on the napkin. When it gets dirty, you replace the napkin. That's one trick. You can see one right here under the iced tea. Soda containers, soda boxes, they're infamous for leaving streaks on shelves, either glass or the white shelves. I take an old towel and I cut it the size of the box. Yes, that's my pug barking in the background. And I put it underneath. Let me hit pause a second. Okay, we're back. The pug is quiet for now. So also when I'm thawing meat or I have raw meat, like I have bacon, it is also on a paper towel right here. Other thing I do, bottom of my vegetable drawer, I've got paper towels in it. All these little things help. Anything that is spilled or is messy is going to have a paper towel in it. Now the way I keep my refrigerator organized, in addition to having the baskets that come in it, like these and these down here, I use baskets to organize things. I'm a big yogurt person and Jell-O, so all my yogurts and Jell-O go in here. Okay? I keep my dairy products for the most part here. My eggs, my sour cream, my butter's behind there. All my lunch meats and everything are up here. And right down here are some stuff to make other lunch meats and salads, all the little extras that go with it, alright? Then down here, in addition to raw meat, because it should always be on the bottom, even if you have something underneath it, unless it's in a bowl that's going to contain all the drippings, you want your raw meat on the bottom, okay? This is my leftover shelf, alright? And then of course I've got all of my bottles and jars and everything on the door. We don't have a big fancy double door refrigerator, so this is how I take care of my refrigerator. And I wipe it down every time I go grocery shopping. Before I go grocery shopping, I take an inventory of what's in it. And that's when I have my opportunity to clean out anything that's old, anything that needs thrown away. I do that. I combine anything that needs combined. Like say I've got two of the same, one empty bottle of ketchup and one full bottle of ketchup. You know, I combine those, or mustard, or whatever it is. That's my opportunity to do that. Now, another thing to remember with glass shelves, they will charge you normally if these crack. And I've got a big gallon of iced tea up here that I popped open. I've got usually a full thing of homemade Gatorade from Packet. And behind that is a gallon of water that I keep cold for my dogs. You notice how everything's to the side on the top shelf, because I don't want this bending and breaking or cracking, because I don't want to be charged for a shelf. That's why all my heavy stuff is on the outside, and I usually have that pretty clear. If I've got something light, I might throw it up there, okay? But that's basically how my top shelf looks, because I don't want to, as I said, pay for this to be replaced, and it's expensive. And this refrigerator is, like everything else in our house, a little over 2 years old, so I'm fairly confident that when we decide to move out, that it'll be good to go and we won't have to worry about it, because everything still looks pretty new on it. So, thank you for tuning in. Let me refocus and close my door here so my little timer doesn't go off. I'm crooked. Anyway, thank you for tuning in. I'm Janet McHugh, and I appreciate you checking with me to see what I can help you with. You can find everything about me on janetmccue.com. That's JANETMCCUE.com. And you can find me on all the basic social media, and I hope you like, comment, and follow. And if you have anything you'd like to see me do a video on, just let me know. Thank you very much and have a blessed day. Bye.